a straw and a triple X belt, Stetson hat. Now neither one is a one of a kind, and I'd be lying if I told you that.
Atzo zanotzen bezala, neuken belauneko mine, eta gaba zeukin dut inbeste mine ezin izanotela ondolo egin, agarrin dut iru dela bordu. Eta horrek eta porratu beto, baina dabe, ez dakit, daukit mine, orduan, holan jarretzen badot, igual medikure juminaz. Ja, bueno, oin bierra, segitxienez jatekue irabazi bida.
Got a special crease and it looks unique, and it's a courtesy of Cowboy Lloyd Cross. Well, you can take my boots and you can take my jeans, take a belt and buckle, get the britches you took falling off. Take my favorite shirt with the white pearl snaps, don't take my hat, my Cowboy Lloyd Cross.
Dugu bierra, baina, bueno, inoz baina moduen, eta kontuatu garena da, hemen doz bilangile geixa, kobretan esku bezala, eta gukitxen dugu, eure baina eskoz begeixa, eurek ez da beze behitzen. Eitzen dabe 5 minutu, eta zigarretxo bat erretzen dabe, beste 2 minutu, beste eskantxo bat, ez da esko begeitzen. Eta, bueno, hoi jungi gara etxera, baskaldu, eta goi eskolara amagaz. Hemen, ez da deskantzeri, hemen da pin-pan, gustora gauz, baina bierra itzen dugu, gustora bai.
May think it's strange a man think that way about something that he wears up on his head. Well, I read about a man who didn't think like that. He took an old boy's hat and now that man is dead. I ain't never been the violent kind, but I know that I sure enough feel.
Ikusten gazteako liburu bat, eta flipa kolega.
At the priest, cause it was so unique, and it's a courtesy of Cowboy Lloyd Cross. Well, you can take my boots and you can take my jeans, take my belt and buckle, get the britches you took falling off. Take my favorite shirt with the white pearl snaps, don't take my hat, my Cowboy Lloyd Cross. Well, it's a favorite crease.
Slowly rising. This old world must still be spinning down, but I still love you. So close your eyes. You can close your eyes, it's alright. I don't know no love songs, I can't sing the blues anymore, but I can sing this song. You can sing this song when I'm gone.
The last one.